Imagine feeling more energized, stronger, and healthier each day without spending a dime on a gym membership or fancy equipment. What if I told you that all you need to experience these benefits is a good pair of shoes and a little bit of determination? Running is one of the most effective and accessible forms of exercise, and when done consistently, can transform your body and mind in ways you never thought possible. In this video, we'll explore the incredible changes that occur in your body when you start running every day. 1. Increased endurance. When you first start running, you may feel winded and fatigued after just a few minutes. But with consistent practice, your body will gradually adapt to the physical demands of running, and you'll be able to go longer distances without getting tired. This is because running strengthens your cardiovascular system, which includes your heart, lungs, and blood vessels. When you run, your heart pumps more blood to your muscles, which in turn receive more oxygen and nutrients. Over time, your heart becomes stronger and more efficient, allowing it to pump more blood with each beat. Your lungs also become more efficient at taking in oxygen and expelling carbon dioxide, which means you can breathe easier during exercise. Additionally, running helps to increase the number of tiny blood vessels in your muscles, which allows for better circulation and oxygen delivery. As your endurance improves, you'll be able to run faster, longer, and with less effort. You may even find that you have more energy throughout the day as your body becomes better at producing and utilizing energy. 2. Stronger muscles. As you run, the muscles in your legs work to propel you forward, lifting your body weight with each stride. Over time, this constant demand on your muscles causes them to adapt and grow stronger. Your quadriceps, hamstrings, and calf muscles are all heavily involved in running, and they will become more toned and defined with consistent practice. But running also engages other muscles throughout your body, such as your core and back muscles, which help to stabilize your posture and maintain balance while running. As your muscles become stronger, you'll be able to run faster and longer without feeling fatigued. Strong muscles also provide added protection for your joints, reducing the risk of injury. Additionally, running can help to increase bone density, which is important for maintaining healthy bones and preventing conditions like osteoporosis. As you challenge your muscles through running, you'll also experience the mental benefits of feeling stronger and more confident in your abilities. 3. Improved cardiovascular health. Your heart beats faster and pumps more blood to your muscles when you're running, which increases your heart rate and strengthens your heart muscle. This helps to lower your resting heart rate over time, meaning that your heart doesn't have to work as hard to pump blood throughout your body. Running also helps to lower your blood pressure by improving the elasticity of your blood vessels and reducing the amount of work that your heart has to do to circulate blood. Additionally, running can help to reduce your risk of developing cardiovascular disease, which is one of the leading causes of death worldwide. Studies have shown that regular exercise like running can improve cholesterol levels by increasing the amount of good cholesterol in your bloodstream and reducing the amount of bad cholesterol. Running can also help to reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to many chronic diseases including heart disease. Perhaps one of the most significant benefits of running for cardiovascular health is its ability to improve the function of the endothelium. A healthy endothelium helps to regulate blood flow, prevent blood clots, and reduce the risk of heart attack or stroke. 4. Better sleep. Your body produces endorphins and other hormones when you run that help reduce stress and anxiety and promote a more relaxed state of mind. This can be especially helpful for people who struggle with racing thoughts or restlessness at bedtime. Additionally, running can help to regulate your body's circadian rhythms, which are the natural cycles that govern your sleep-wake patterns. By running at the same time each day, your body will begin to recognize and anticipate this activity, making it easier to fall asleep at night and wake up feeling refreshed in the morning. Running also raises your body temperature, which can help to promote drowsiness when it begins to drop back down after your workout. In fact, studies have shown that regular exercise, including running, can improve sleep quality and reduce the risk of sleep disorders like insomnia. Better sleep has a host of benefits for your health, including improved mood, sharper cognitive function, and better overall physical performance. 5. Reduced stress. When you run, your body releases endorphins, which are natural chemicals that help to boost your mood and reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. These endorphins have a similar effect to opiates but are produced by your own body, providing a natural way to manage stress without relying on medication. Additionally, running can help you clear your mind and focus on the present moment, which can be incredibly beneficial for people who struggle with racing thoughts or anxiety. The rhythmic motion of running can also be meditative, allowing you to enter a state of flow and experience a sense of calm and centeredness. Running also provides a sense of accomplishment, which can boost your confidence and self-esteem. This can be especially helpful for people who are going through a challenging time or dealing with difficult emotions. 6. Increased bone density. The repeated impact of your feet hitting the ground when you're running puts small amounts of stress on your bones. This stress signals your body to produce new bone cells, strengthening your bones and making them more dense. Over time, this process can help to prevent the loss of bone mass that can occur as you age. In fact, studies have shown that regular exercise, including running, can increase bone density and reduce the risk of fractures in both men and women. Additionally, running can help to improve your balance and coordination, reducing your risk of falls and other injuries. This is especially important for older adults, who may be more vulnerable to bone loss and fractures. But even if you're younger, building strong bones through running can have lifelong benefits for your health and mobility. 7. Boosted immune system. Your body produces a variety of immune cells when you run, including white blood cells and natural killer cells, which help to fight off infections and viruses. These cells are responsible for identifying and attacking foreign invaders in your body, including bacteria, viruses, and cancer cells. Additionally, running can help to reduce inflammation in your body, which is a key factor in many chronic illnesses. By reducing inflammation, you can improve your overall health and well-being and reduce your risk of developing a variety of diseases. Regular exercise, including running, has also been shown to improve the body's response to vaccines, making them more effective at preventing illnesses like the flu. And perhaps most importantly, running can help to reduce stress, which is a major factor in suppressing the immune system. That's all for today's video on the benefits of running every day. As you've learned, running can have a powerful impact on your physical and mental health, from increased endurance and stronger muscles to better sleep and reduced stress. So what are you waiting for? Grab your running shoes and hit the pavement. Your body will thank you for it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on health and wellness, and let us know in the comments how running has impacted your life.